Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Payoneer to a US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Payoneer to a US bank account, begin by logging into your Payoneer account. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the withdraw option. Click on Withdraw to Bank Account. Next, select the US bank account you want to withdraw funds to. If you haven't linked your US bank account yet, you will need to do that first. To link a bank account, click on Add Bank Account. Fill in the required details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. After entering the bank details, click Save. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Withdraw section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Payoneer balance. Review the withdrawal fees displayed on the screen. Confirm that you have selected the correct bank account for the withdrawal. After verifying the details, click on Withdraw. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal request. Typically, the funds will arrive in your US bank account within a few business days. If there are any issues, check your email for notifications from Payoneer. You can also monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Activity tab of your account. That completes the process of withdrawing from Payoneer to a US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.